Welcome to Coffee Talk with Ann. Today we're talking about something very seasonal, and that is pretty soon we're all going to be getting a statement in the mail for our property taxes. Yay! Now there are two color of statements, and you're going to get one of them. So be on the lookout for this. The first color is green. Green means you haven't paid your property taxes. That means typically you have it set up so that you're responsible, independent of any loans on the property, to pay the taxes. The yellow statement is indicative of they're paid. In most cases, when you have a mortgage, they're collecting a certain amount of money off your payment every month to throw into an escrow account, is what they call it, to have enough money in that escrow account by November when the taxes are technically due. Now, if your green statement shows up, then they're not paid, and you need to either pay it in full, which you do get a discount if you do that, or make installment payments, and they give you options on your payment. But as far as the mortgage holder is concerned, they're going to make the payment in November. Now, property taxes in Oregon are super weird. If you've closed on a house in the last couple of years, you probably saw this at the escrow table, where they start the timetable ticking, your prorations for property taxes at the end of June through the following July, but they're owed in November. Super confusing for everybody. But just know, if you haven't already, you're probably going to see a property tax statement come in the mail any day now, and it will show you your new updated tax statement amount. So anticipate that we're probably all going to see a bit of an increase. Now this, we won't go into depth about if you want to kind of fight the tax assessor's evaluation, but if you do feel like your tax assessment is incorrect, there are methodologies to use to see if they're in alignment with what's going on here as the norm. And you can certainly always fight your property taxes, but you have to have enough evidence that you've been overcharged for the year. I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions coming up about property tax assessments because nobody ever wants to pay any more than they have to, which is totally understandable. But for the purposes of this Coffee Talk video, we are just talking about the statements coming soon. Be on the lookout for it, and just know that the color of statement you get will determine whether they're paid or not. All right, have a great day.